on this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way that you can use to make up to $200 per day with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without investing any money and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to search for CPA group. Once you search for it, you can join wherever you are in the world. Once you create your account and join, what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find an offer to promote, come right here. Once you are here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. CPA offers, they are geo-specific. What it means is that you have to promote a specific offer to the country where it is allowed to be promoted. You don't have to promote offers to any locations that you want. Each of the offers on this platform has a specific location where it is allowed to be promoted. For example, you can see all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United States. You can see United States. If you promote the offers to any place apart from the United States, once your potential visitors click on your link, they are not going to get access to the offer, so you are not going to be making any money. So what you have to do is that you have to always select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers to promote. If you select a country where you don't have a traffic source, you are not going to be making money with CPA offers. One good thing about CPA offers is that your potential visitors are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action. Some of the actions are mobile install, some of them are PIN code submit, some of them are credit card submit. So the actions vary from one offer to the other, but your potential visitors are not going to purchase anything. So all that you need to do is that you have to get a targeted traffic source so that you can get many people to take action for you to make money. You can select any country that you want. If you come right here, once you click on it, there are a lot of different countries that you can select. As I scroll, you can see there are a lot of different countries that you can select to find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Any country that you want, you can click on it and then find the available offers that you can promote. As I said earlier on, you must have a traffic source in the country that you have selected so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be searching for the United Kingdom. So search for JB. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you select the United Kingdom, you're going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you get to know the available offers that you can promote. You can see this offer right here. You can promote it. Your potential visitors need to enter an email and zip code. Once they enter those details, you are going to be paid $1.02. The next one is mobile install. So your potential visitors have to install a mobile app. Once they make the installation, you are going to be paid 29 cents. There are many of them, so when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see this offer right here. Your potential visitors are required to submit their email and zip code so that they can get access to £1,000 iPhone 14 Pro Max, and you are going to be paid $2.22. You can see it right here. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the offer that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here because it has the highest payout. You can see you're going to be earning $5.48 per every mobile installation that your potential visitors make. You can see if your potential visitors install this app, you are going to be paid $5.48. You can see it right here. Once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see there's a warning here. You can see this is the image of the offer. You can see other details. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on this link so that they can install the app and you are going to be paid. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to install the app so that you can be paid $5.48. There are many traffic sources that you can use, but in this case, I have a specific traffic source that you can use to target people who live in the United Kingdom to take the action for you to make money. The website that we're going to be using today is latestfreestuff.co.uk. This is a website where you can submit an item for free. And the best part is that it is available to people who live in the United Kingdom. So all the offers on this platform are available to people who live in the United Kingdom. So this is one of the best websites that people who live in the United Kingdom visit to get free stuff. You can see a whole lot of different free stuffs that people are giving on this website. You can see get paid to watch videos. When you scroll down, there are many other stuffs. You can see free Liverpool train tickets. You can see free £8 Amazon gift card every day. So if you want, you can click get freebie. Once you click on it, you can be able to get it. You can see a whole lot of different things that people are giving away on this website. You can see this is a drink. When you scroll down, there are many other stuff that people are giving away for free. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to submit the offer on this website so that we can get people who live in the United Kingdom to take the action for us to make money. To submit a freebie, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit freebie. Once you click on it, you're going to get a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to type your name. So just type your name, Once you type your name, enter your email address. So enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can see link to freebie. You have to enter your affiliate link right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see, are you the owner or affiliate with the site? You can see they allow affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to select I am affiliate. So you can see, yes, I'm affiliate. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see message. You have to type some brief information about the offer right here. In this case, I have my message, so let me just paste it right here. You can see this is my message. You can also write some short information like this and then paste it right here. Once you have your message, the next step is that you have to click right here. I am not a robot. Once you click on it, click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see thanks for contacting us. We will get in touch with you shortly. Very soon they will send you an email regarding the status of your freebie. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on submitting. You can see I've got a freebie the world needs to hear about. If you have a freebie, you can submit it. So make sure you select a different offer, submit it onto the website. Select a different offer, submit it onto the website so that you can get many people to take the action for you to make money. Another website that you can submit your freebie is hotfreestuff.co.uk. This website you can also submit your freebie without paying for anything. You can submit it to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can take the action for you to make money. You can see these are the categories that you can submit a freebie. You can submit baby stuff, bears, free books, free car stuff, and the rest. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can give away. Free health and beauty stuff and many others. You can see a whole lot of different categories. So any category that you want, you can submit it and then get people to take the action for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.